Dr. Miller. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Well, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it.
Well, I appreciate the opportunity to be able to share a few things about oral health in kids.
Thank you. Now, what makes Halloween such a scary time for children's teeth?
Candace, I think the things to know that make it scary is, believe it or not, in the U.S. we spend over $9 billion on treats and candies during the Halloween season. Now, we're talking some serious money there. And also, vying for that candy will be 41 million kids that'll be knocking on the doors throughout the United States. So that's the scary part. And here, representing the AAPD as their president, I'd like to just share a few thoughts about things they can do when they're purchasing treats that are going to be more dental friendly.
Absolutely. What are the worst treats for causing tooth decay?
Candace, when we think of the worst or the least dental friendly treats, think sticky, chewy. Those things tend to stick in the nooks and crannies of our teeth and sometimes take hours to dissolve. So those are the kind of things we'd like to avoid. Another not so friendly one that has a double whammy in it is the sour candies. Not only are they sweet and sugary, but they also have the sour element, which is very acidic and can dissolve the surface of the tooth. So those are two not so friendly dental treats.
I had no idea about sour candy. I am so addicted to those.
Surprising,
Terrible.
isn't it? It's surprising.
Yes, it is. Are there any tricky treats out there among the so-called healthy options?
Well, Candace, I'm going to have to convert you from those sour treats and
Please do.
and maybe think more about chocolate, believe it or not. Chocolates, especially dark chocolate, has the benefit in that it dissolves away from the teeth very quickly. And there are also anti-cavity causing agents within that chocolate that really reduce cavities. Some other things to think about as treats would be sugarless products, sugarless gum. And you may even want to think about a non-food product as a treat to hand out in your home, and that could be a variety of things like stickers, tattoos, glow sticks, little toys and items like that.
And what are some ways to keep the mouth monsters from harming kids' teeth this trick-or-treat season?
Well, Candace, I'm going to put on my dad's hat right now because I'm a dad of 3 kids, and I'll tell you what we did and we do now with my grandkids is that Halloween night we sit around the table, dump all the candy into the table, and then we divide those into the dental-friendly ones and the non-dental friendly ones. And then the next 3 days, the kids have what we call a candy holiday. And so after dinner, immediately after dinner, they have 30 minutes to eat as much candy as they want. During those 30 minutes, they go wild. Then candy's put away. We head to the bathroom, brush and floss their teeth, and we allow that for 3 days. And that pretty much, they're done with candy at that point.
That's such a great idea. Do you have any additional tips and information you'd like to share with us?
You know, a couple of things. One is we know that cavities are virtually preventable. And so it's critical that you begin to see a dentist, establish that child's first visit by age 1. We can identify risk factors for that child and really be able to redirect those into healthier factors. And also we can educate the parent, what do you do for an infant or a 1-year-old, a 2-year-old in oral health? So those are things that I think are important to know. And I think lastly, it would be where do you go for information, because we really have a huge appetite for information in this day and age. And the best resource to go to is the AAPD's website, and that is mychildrensteeth.org. And it is jam-packed with great information, not only for your kids, that's fun, but also very educational information as a parent in your child's oral health. So I invite your viewers to go there.
Well, thank you so much, Dr. Miller. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to speak with me today. Have a great weekend.
Hey, Candace, thank you so much, and happy Halloween.
Absolutely. You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.